Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete call and chat history in Skype application. So how to delete call and chat history in Skype application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. To create an online meeting here there are several ways. The first way, by using the meeting link in Skype. Go to the menu, Calls. Point the cursor to the call history to be deleted. And tap. And the chat menu will appear. Go to the call profile. Here will come out many options. Scroll down to find the leave icon. And tap leave to delete the call and chat history. Tap leave again to delete. Now we see that the call history has been deleted. The second way is, go to the chat menu. Point the cursor to the call or chat to be deleted. Tap right. There are several options here. Select leave to delete. And tap leave again to delete. The third and fourth methods are easier and almost the same, but there are differences in function and differences. Enter the chat menu. Point the cursor at the call or chat to be deleted. Tap right. Several options will appear here. Select Delete Conversation. Tap Delete Conversion again to delete the data. The fourth or last method. Enter the chat menu. Point the cursor at the call or chat to be deleted. Tap right. Several options will appear here. Select Clear Conversation. Tap Confirm. Now here we can see that the contents of the chat and call have been deleted. However, the contact icon is still in the history. So the difference between delete and clear conversation is: delete conversation in Skype deletes the entire chat history with someone from your device, including removing the contact from the chat list. Meanwhile, clear conversation only deletes the contents of the message in the chat room, but the contact remains and is ready to be used for new conversations. So that's it. Tutorial how to record screen in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.